Almased USA, Almased, 17.6 ounces, 500 grams. Product overview description. Diabetic Friendly #1 in Germany. Non-GMO soy plus yogurt plus honey replaces 10 meals simply because it works. Dietary supplement, clinically tested, unique fermentation process, all natural, gluten-free, no artificial fillers, flavors, added sugars, preservatives or stimulants. Low glycemic index, 27, and extremely low glycemic load, 4. The Almased weight loss phenomenon. Speeds up and improves the metabolism. Reduce weight. Revitalize energy. Restore wellness. Supported by over 30 years of experience and research. Formulated in Germany with a unique fermentation process that enables nutrients to be absorbed quickly into the bloodstream. Supports the retention of muscle mass while losing fat. Supports digestive and immune system function with probiotics and enzymes. Helps to control hunger through high amount of quality protein. Based on average serving size, suggested use. General dosage. 1. Add 10 to 12 ounces of bottled or filtered water. 2. Add 1 to 2 spoons of oil, for example olive or flaxseed. 3. Add 8 tablespoons, 50 grams, Almased and blend well. For additional mixing instructions and individual serving size recommendations, please see the instructions under the lid of the can. Other ingredients: soy protein isolate, honey, skim milk, yogurt powder, potassium chloride, magnesium carbonate, calcium citrate, vitamin C, niacin, colorative, riboflavin, vitamin B2, vitamin E, zinc oxide, ferrous fumarate, manganese sulfate, calcium pentophenate, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B1, vitamin A, folic acid, potassium iodide, sodium selenite, biotin, vitamin D3, vitamin B12. This product contains only naturally occurring essential branched chain amino acids and digestive enzymes from honey. Warnings. This package is sold by weight, not volume. Content may settle during shipping. Store in a dry, cool place. Best if purchased before, see bottom. If seal is broken, return for exchange or refund. If you are, or might be, allergic to one of the ingredients or would like to take Almased on a long-term basis, please consult your physician or healthcare professional. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.